For those seeking top-notch window replacement, Powell TN, Tennessee, our team of Powell Tennessee window experts is here to provide exceptional service. We specialize in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round while reducing energy costs. Our vinyl window replacement Powell Tennessee services are second to none, offering durability and style for any home. In Powell, Tennessee, energy-efficient windows are a must-have for homeowners looking to save on utility bills. Our Powell window services include a wide range of options, from double-hung window replacement Powell TN to custom window solutions Powell Tennessee. We pride ourselves on offering the best window installers Powell Tennessee has to offer, ensuring a seamless and professional installation process. Our residential window replacement Powell TN services cater to homeowners looking to upgrade their windows for improved aesthetics and functionality. We also offer commercial window installation Powell Tennessee for businesses seeking reliable and efficient window solutions. Our window frame repair Powell Tennessee services ensure that your windows remain in top condition, preventing drafts and enhancing insulation. For those in need of window sealing services Powell Tennessee, our team provides expert window caulking Powell Tennessee to prevent air leaks and improve energy efficiency. Regular window maintenance. Powell Tennessee is crucial for extending the lifespan of your windows, and our professional window contractors Powell are here to help with all your maintenance needs. Window replacement Powell TN are a great way to enhance the look and feel of your home. Our window styles, Powell Tennessee selection includes a variety of designs to suit any taste. We also offer window hardware Powell Tennessee and window screens Powell Tennessee to complete your window installation. Window tinting Powell is an excellent option for those looking to reduce glare and protect their interiors from UV damage. Our window insulation Powell Tennessee services further enhance energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable in all seasons. Accurate window measurements. Powell Tennessee are essential for a perfect fit, and our team ensures precision in every project. Our window design services Powell offer personalized solutions to meet your unique needs. We provide free window consultation Powell Tennessee to help you choose the best options for your home or business. With our window replacement Powell TN warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Whether you need window glass replacement, window frame repair, or window sealing, our team is equipped to handle all your window needs. Our window contractors are experienced in both residential and commercial window services, ensuring quality and satisfaction in every project. Trust us for affordable window replacement Powell and experience the difference in quality and service.